Welcome to the Tuesday edition of the Tech Stocks Daily Podcast. Buckle up as we zoom into today's tech headlines. Apple struts its stuff with vibrant updates and a satellite skirmish with Elon Musk's SpaceX. Meanwhile, cybersecurity star Zscaler steals the show with a dazzling performance, teaming up with T-Mobile to ditch those outdated VPNs. We'll dig into bullish whispers in the trading maze and marvel at their AI-infused growth spurt. And don't miss Liquidia's grand biotech showcase at the Needham Virtual Healthcare Conference, spotlighting its cutting-edge therapies for rare diseases. Tune in and let's dive into all the tech-tastic action and strategic maneuvers defining the market today. Today's tech news is buzzing with the symphony of Apple's updates and intriguing market plays. Let's dive headfirst into the kaleidoscope of Cupertino's headlines that are grabbing everyone's attention. First off, Apple's got investors and tech enthusiasts alike keeping an eye on their financial indicators, which all point towards a story of valor and caution. As of the latest market analysis, Apple is basking in its elevated price-to-earnings, price-to-book, and price-to-sales ratios. These numbers suggest Apple stock is soaked in rainbow sparkles of overvaluation compared to peers. A murmur of caution perhaps, but it's accompanied by gold coins of robust profits, as indicated by an impressive EBITDA and gross profit figures. What's fascinating is while Apple enjoys 58.74% return on equity, soaring like an eagle above the industry sky, its revenue growth trend has taken a comforting backseat on a hammock, with a significant slowdown compared to industry peers. Oh, the dance of excess prosperity juggling with gentle growth. Meanwhile, fans of Apple's digital wares are rejoicing over the rollout of iOS 18.4, bringing with it a basket of new features to sprinkle over your devices. New emojis are making their mark, and Apple News Plus now boasts a culinary cavort with a food section to spice up your digital dine-ins. AI is rustling up activity with smarter notifications, and not to be missed, Vision OS 2.4 garners attention with Apple Intelligence magic like writing tools for the Vision Pro. The update is essentially Cupertino's way of flicking its software cape, saying, "There's more magic yet." Never shy from a cosmic duel, Apple is currently sparring with Elon Musk's SpaceX over the celestial stage of satellite technology. Both are pushing each other's cosmic buttons over signal spectrum rights, which has led to a crucial tech spat. Apple's strategic investment in satellite capabilities seems to be rubbing Musk the wrong way in their galactic brawl for connectivity dominance. Yet, there's peace on the horizon as potential collaborations are discussed to merge iPhone capabilities with Musk's satellite twinkles in the sky. Lastly, whispers of whale trades have reached sophisticated ears, revealing unusual options swirling around Apple's fortunes. Big money investors have been spotted expressing some skepticism, leaning mostly bearish. These substantial trades are drawing boundaries in the sand for Apple's stock price bets, ranging between $95 and $280, a tableau of investor sentiment with brushstrokes of optimism in a primarily cautious shade. To cap the parade of Apple's day, analysts, never short of firm handshakes, stand with a healthy mix of target price optimism across various reputable firms, showcasing a complex, intertwined ballet of cautious optimism, promising technology, and intense competitive spirit at one of the world's most renowned tech titans. Remember, in the tempestuous sea that is the tech market, a keen eye for apple-shaped horizons can be the difference between floating effortlessly or getting splashed unexpectedly. Zscaler is making waves in the tech news today with a series of compelling developments, causing investors and cybersecurity enthusiasts alike to sit up and take note. This cloud security heavyweight has been digging deep into its zero-trust toolbox, and the results are shaking up its market trajectory. First up, Zscaler's collaboration with T-Mobile has demonstrated the power of the Zscaler zero-trust exchange platform. 1 year after the initial rollout, T-Mobile has bid adieu to traditional VPNs, swapping them out for streamlined, secure access facilitated by Zscaler's cloud-native cybersecurity platform. This initiative was designed to protect T-Mobile's digital fortifications, ensuring that only the crème de la crème of verified users and devices can tap into required systems. The goal here was no less than transforming T-Mobile's cybersecurity landscape, creating a robust barrier against cyber threats while leaving employees empowered to work remotely as need be. This little but mighty triumph highlights Zscaler's muscle in transforming traditional security frameworks into digital Fort Knox equivalents, thanks to zero-trust principles. Beyond strengthening alliances with telecom titans, Zscaler has been catapulted into the trading spotlight. Recent analysis from Benzinga reveals hefty activity in Zscaler's options trading, indicating a brewing momentum of bullish interest. Deep-pocketed investors have their sights trained on Zscaler stock, with substantial options trading suggesting a possible seismic move on the cards. The buzz revolves around a price range vision from $135 to as high as $330, painting a portrait of confidence amid Wall Street's corridors. Analyst opinions are divided, yet tell a promising narrative. Some market experts have heroically slapped a buy rating on Zscaler stock, targeting prices stretching up to $260, reinforcing the unanimous vote of, "Let's hold on to this baby." Meanwhile, other experts maintain a more conservative stance, urging vigilance as Zscaler's stock develops amidst potential jackpots in AI and cybersecurity. On the growth frontier, Zscaler continues its cybersecurity conquest, leaving no ledger untouched. The company has recorded a joyful rise of 9.2% in stock valuation over 3 months, a gleeful bounce teasing the broader market headwinds. Contributing power-ups to this ascent are Zscaler's strategic maneuvers in reinforcing zero-trust security, expanding its army of colossal enterprise customers, and solidifying its foothold in the public sector ecosystem, where it's already captured a lion's share of U.S. cabinet-level agencies. Security mavens will be pleased as punch to note Zscaler's accelerating role in AI. Through partnerships with big hitters like NVIDIA and CrowdStrike, Zscaler is harnessing AI to snugly fit within new-gen cybersecurity trials. These alliances, coupled with its GovCloud expansions, position Zscaler as a leading player in locking down AI deployments from both enterprise and government entities. That said, Zscaler isn't without its detractions. Premium valuations come with their own metals of skepticism. But given the overhaul in network security norms and the broad uptake of cloud-native solutions, best encapsulated by zero-trust models, Zscaler manages to definitely not just survive, but thrive, making it the toast of technology town today. Liquidia Corporation, the biotech savvy focused on tackling rare cardiopulmonary diseases, popped up in today's news for announcing its star-studded appearance at the 24th annual Needham Virtual Healthcare Conference. That's right, a big digital spotlight on Liquidia, who didn't just roll out the red carpet, but they've practically paved the entire road to their virtual investors page on their website. This gathering, set for either April 8th or April 9th, depending on which article you leaned on like a hesitant stardate, is ready to kick off at 8:45 a.m. ET with a fireside chat. I mean, who doesn't love a cozy chat, right? Now, before you're all like, a fireside chat at a healthcare conference, let's unpack what that means. Typically, it's a more informal presentation format where Liquidia's bigwigs will deep dive into the company's dashing business acumen, future projects, and what I'd surmise to be a dedication to making big strides in that pulmo realm through its proprietary print technology. Liquidia has been working hard in the lab coats, brewing up their lead investigative contender called Utrepia. It is, in essence, an inhalation powder tool aimed at aiding folks battling with the serious kicks of pulmonary arterial hypertension and pulmonary hypertension associated with interstitial lung disease. Their plate doesn't end at this smorgasbord, though. They've also got L606 cooking up. This is a sustained-release formulation of treprostinil administered with the next-gen panache that is nebulizers. But don't you go clicking away just yet. They've got the meat and potatoes, in this case, generic treprostinil injection already on the market frontline, ready to tackle PAH in the everyday trenches. All in all, today's announcement serves as not only a mark-your-calendars moment for all of those investment aficionados out there, but also as a solid opportunity for everyone to see how Liquidia is weaving its path through the biotech tapestry. So dear viewers, let me flip the mic over and ask y'all, what do you reckon about Liquidia's upcoming showcase at the conference? Do you buy into the potential of inhalable therapies and controlled-release medications for managing these rare diseases? Or are you strapped into another camp? Dive into the comments below and let your techno voice be heard. I'm counting on your thoughts to gauge where the wind is blowing in virtual conference land. All right, let's dive into the galaxy of tech stocks with one that's making quite the ripple in today's market, Zscaler. Now he's the shiny knight in the land of cloud security, jousting left and right with its innovative zero-trust approach. Given today's news, the ambiance is ripe with excitement as Zscaler basks in notable collaborations, like T-Mobile dismissing old-school VPNs in favor of their slick zero-trust exchange platform. Not only is Zscaler in limelight performance mode on the trading stage with significant options action, but analysts are also murmuring sweet nothings about buy ratings with target prices up to $260. From a strategic standpoint, if I'm in charge of the virtual purse strings, I'd consider Zscaler A. Why? Because they're not just sticking to what's known. They're partnering with big league players like NVIDIA, throwing AI into their cybersecurity cauldron, and delving into cloud-native solutions like an avant-garde warrior. Plus, the stock has pleasantly scooted up by 9.2% in valuation over the past 3 months, signaling not just a fighter, but a sprinter in the market relay. Now do remember, every step into the realm of stock purchases should be hitched alongside a good dose of personal research. Markets can flip faster than a tech vlogger spotting free samples, so ensure you calibrate your decisions with insights beyond just this news. But right now, with a sprinkle of daring optimism, Zscaler might just offer a thrilling ride on the cybersecurity surge. Witnessing their current trajectory and market buzz, the stars seem rather aligned for Zscaler today. Always make sure to do your homework before making any investment moves, dear tech trailblazers. Today's tech market roller coaster brought a lively montage of excitement and cautious optimism. Apple astounded us with enriched updates and cosmic tussles over satellite tech, reflecting both its innovative spirit and strategic navigation through market challenges. Meanwhile, Zscaler dazzled with notable collaborations and a bullish trading buzz as it continued to command attention in the cybersecurity arena, riding high with both strategic partnerships and financial gains. Liquidia spotlighted its biotech brilliance, gearing up for a grand showcase at the upcoming healthcare conference. Together, these stories painted a vibrant picture of innovation and strategic maneuvering in a rapidly evolving tech landscape. If you found the rundown insightful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for your daily tech scoop, and share the vibe with your friends and fellow tech aficionados. Come back tomorrow for another exhilarating dive into the world of technology news.